Today we're really excited to show you something. Louis Vuitton is very good about understanding that certain Pouchette Metises in certain years had defective glazing. Glazing is the area around the handles and around the bag itself, and it starts to peel and melt off. And so what they did was they decided that it would be best to just replace it. So my mother was able to replace her Pouchette Metis, which was in monogram, today, and they do not have any monogram Pouchette Metis anymore. They don't make that available. So she got it in a different canvas. So we wanted to show you how beautiful the replacement is. My sales associate David is always very helpful, and so is Timothy. So here we are. We're going to go ahead and unbox this so that you can kind of try to guess which material my mother decided to have her second Pouchette Metis in. And so he wrapped it very pretty. Get all that ribbon off, and then you have the metallic box, and then it comes in the dust bag. And again, on the real versus fake, the Louis Vuitton, this dust bag is a very nice cotton dust bag, and the font is particular to Louis Vuitton. Once you see a lot of genuine ones, you'll know which ones are not. And here she is. So this is in the Empreinte, and she's absolutely beautiful. So we just wanted to show you what Louis Vuitton has done. They've expanded their collection from beyond the monogram and reverse monogram to the Empreinte. The inside has this beautiful, it's almost a biscuit light beige with a pink undertone. And the tab has gotten thicker. And again, the zippers always work really nice. And the fabric on the inside is like the kind with the Neverfull, which I think is really neat. So they took the Neverfull lining, and the straps are the beautiful biscuit light beige with the pink undertones. So we just wanted to show you how gorgeous they've updated this bag. We hope you enjoy this, and if you have any glazing problems, our glazing problem was along here, and the glazing automatically peeled and melted themselves. Like, we didn't damage it or do it, it'll do it on its own. What's nice about the Empreinte is it doesn't have the untreated vachetta leather, so you won't have to worry about the patina or getting watermarks on her. So hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing, and you all have a great weekend.